Allie, can I take your picture? Allie? Allie, do you want candy? Yeah, candy. Can I take your picture? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be sad?
No.
Do you want to say no?
Honey.
Oh, candy.
Honey.
Okay, smile for the camera.
No.
Want to take a picture?
No.
Hey,
No.
hey. This is why there are no pictures on my blog of this girl usually. She sees the camera and she runs and she won't look. You're her sister. What are we going to do with her? Mikey. Mikey. He concentrates very hard on his things. Mikey. Hi, Mikey. Hi, sweet boy. You can't have the camera. No way. Hi. Want to see Mikey, Allie? Look.